Can you answer each question in 10 seconds? You have 5 questions in total. So this is the first question and your time starts now. 3, 2, 1, time up. And the answer is 56. Wait till the end for the solution. Now, this is the second question. Your time starts now. And the answer is 8. Now, this is the third question, and your time starts now. Time up. The correct answer is 21. This is the fourth question, and your time starts now. 1, time up, and this is the correct answer. And this is your last question. Your time starts now. 77 is the correct answer. So, how did we get these answers? How did we get these answers? Let's solve them together. So, we have 6 times 8. 6 times 8 is 48. 48 minus 1 is 47. And then 47 plus 9 is 56. And that is how we got 56. Did you get that? Now let's move to the next one. 6 divided by 1 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 minus 6 is 8. And that is how we got the second answer. Did you get it? Let's go to the next one and you tell me in the comments how many did you get out of 5, or did you run out of time? Now we have 3 times 6. This is 18. 18 minus 4 is 14, and 14 plus 7 is 21. That is the third one, and then this is the fourth one. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 8 is 14, and then 14 plus 5 is, wow, I made a mistake there. 5 times 1 is 5, right? 5 plus 1 is 13, sorry. 5 plus 1 is 13, and 13 plus 5 is 18. And that is the correct answer. And lastly, this is the last question. 8 times 9 is 72. And then 72 minus 1 is 71. And then 71 plus 6 gives 77. And that is how we got the 5 questions. So let me know in the comments, how many did you get out of 5? Were you able to solve them before the time ran out, or did you run out of time? And I will see you in the next one.